Hello, today's video I will teach you how to bypass delegation warning in PowerApps. So the delegation warning is a limit of items in data source. So if you go beyond 2000 rows, it will not show any more filters or um, values. So let's start. In my data table, I have here the filtering on text input in my EID column. So if I play, I type mic, it's working. But if my name is on 2000 and up row, it will not show anymore because I have delegation warning, which is the triangle yellow here. So we will now fix this formula. So I will delete and I will add a new formula, which is I added the starts with function. So starts with function composed of the column of data source and then the filtering value. So which is the text input, the text, which is this. So let's try. Now the delegation warning is gone. So it is now uh, bypassing. So it's working, but now the delegation warning is gone. So this will work on 2000 and up items. So that's the first tip on bypassing delegation warning with starts with. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Okay, so this label um, is counting the rows of the completed status, which is this. So I have three completed, one, two, three. So it shows the correct value, but I have delegation warning. So if I have completed status beyond 2000 rows, it will not counting anymore. So let's change this formula and copy this formula. Okay, so in this scenario, I use with function and then I created a variable and then I this is my filtering, and then in the end of formula I use count rows function and then I declared my variable. So it is now the delegation warning now is gone, but the value is correct, still correct. So it will now counting the 2000 and beyond items in my data source. Okay, so this time I use with function and I created a variable. And to the next example, how to bypass delegation warning with sum. So this label summing the contributed um, column based on the completed status. So all the completed I summarizing the values of this column. So 12, 13, 14, 15. So it shows 15 here. But I have delegation warning. So again, if my data exceeds 2000, it will not summing all above the 2000. So I will change this formula and then I will paste new formula. I will, sorry, so okay, so I will not, I just added a, added, I will add for all. So this is the delegation warning. This is the old formula. I will add for all function, and then at the end, comma, just type value, and then close parentheses. And it will now, the delegation warning is now gone, but the correct formula is still there. It shows 15 because it's summing the contributed. So that's it. The first function is with starts with. This is bypassing the delegation warning. The second is the with and creating a variable and then count rows. And then the third is for all. So that's the functions to bypass the different scenarios of delegation warning. I hope you guys learn. Thank you and see you on the next um, tutorial.